My name is Dr. B. Srinivasulu, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of electrochemical machining process here. So here the electrochemical of a machining process are divided into two types. Okay, see here how it can be. Means two type means here. First thing is electrochemical and machining. Means by using of a electro means of electricity with the help of chemical reaction here, machining of a material removal rate can be taken place. MRR removal can be taken place here. That is with the help of electricity here. Okay, this is electricity we can say here, and with the help of chemical reaction, then the material removal rate can be carried out here. Okay. Now coming to this is from this diagram. So here the diagram take place here is see. So from the it may be anode is a given of a DC supply. DC supply is a given to the anode here. So anode and the positive negative terminal is given to the same of a cathode here. Okay, cathode to the tool here. Okay, now the tool is the cathode here, and the process is taken place with the help of electrolyte process here. Okay, supply is a DC power supply, and the process is a electrically of a conductivity. Just now I said of a that is a electrolyte process here. Okay, now how it can be carried out here. So let's we discuss about the what is it means. It is a reverse of electroplating. First thing is a reverse of a electroplating. Let's we discuss what is the meaning of electroplating here. Means before that we will discuss what is actually the electrolysis here. Here the electrolyte is a means simple is a which is a direct electric current through an ionic substance that is either a molten or a dissolved in a suitable of a solvent we can say, and produce of a chemical reaction. Means there will be a when there will be a taken place here, means when we are sending of a electrolyte here. Okay, so what is going on here means there will be a having a producing of a chemical reaction at the electrode and separate the material from the workpiece here. That is the use of a electrolyte here. That is the use of electrolyte. Okay, means what happened there will be a having when we are flowing of this electrolyte of a here. Okay, when there is a from the negative which is connected to the tool of a cathode. Okay, so there will be a ionizing can be taken place, electrons can be take place here, means the removing of a material from the workpiece. Okay, after that it is a flush away. Flush away. Previously what happened, electroplating means the tool is a contact means of a there will be a electrolytic of a process, means Faraday law if you can say that. Means Faraday law is a who have discovered that two electrodes of using or placed in a both containing means in a liquid way, and DC potential means of a DC power of a supplying can be taken place across the metal can be depleted from the anode. Okay, means the work material from the anode can be removed and plated on the cathode. Means it's a stick on the cathode here. That is called as a electroplating here. But here what happened? There is a no means there is a from the workpiece of a anode. Okay, so what happened due to this anode? Okay, workpiece which is moving from this one, it is a flush away. This can be removed. But here the from the electroplating, it is stick on that one. Okay, too. So here the electrolytic of a process is carried out. That is the reason we are saying electrolytic of a process means we are sending of this one electrolytic due to of a chemical reaction of a the electrons of this one of a what happens the atoms. Okay, it can be removed from this one from the workpiece here, and the mirror finishing can be occurred here. That is the beauty of this by using of a electrochemical of a machining process here. So we can say that it is a work on the principle. Means here if I say okay, this is a work on the principle of Faraday's law, because when we are speaking about the electroplating, that also deals with a electrolysis. Electrolysis is also deals with a Faraday's law. So the electroplating is deals with the Faraday's law. So we are saying this is also a principle of a Faraday's law of electrolysis, and here we are supplying of a DC supply here. Okay, and currently supply which is given to two electrodes of a cathode. One is a cathode to the tool and anode to the workpiece here. Okay, and transfers of electrons between the ions and the electrons. Okay, so what happened, transfers of electron between the ions and the electrodes complete the circuit here. So here there will be electrons can be a transfer means take place between okay of ions and the electrodes of a complete the circuit here. In the same manner, metal is deducted, means metal can be removed from the workpiece of a atom by atom from an anode. So here the material can be removed when this process is carried out. Means what happens? There will be atom by atom from an anode of a surface and appear in an electrolyte as an iron here, ions here. Okay. So it is a removed by ions and it is a flush away from. Okay. Due to this electrolytic property. Okay. So it is a connected with this is a we call it as a this is a table which is fixed on the workpiece here. We know that one. So here what happens? There will be a electrochemical of a machining. Means how the electrochemical of a machining detaches the material appears and which will be a precipitate and a solid of a metal of a hydro oxide we can also say here. In the same manner, what happens? There will be a during the means when the electrolysis is taken place here. So what happened? The water in the molecules is when when an electrolysis of a means of a process is carried out here. Okay. So the molecules which are a gain of electrons from the cathode means here which is a molecule which gains means due to the water what happens there is a molecule which gains of a electron from the cathode. Okay, we know this one of it due to this of a okay this tool of a cathode so that it's separated a free of hydrogen gas and a hydroxyl. Means what happens if you mixing of a water with the electrons, what happens? There will be a hydrogen and the hydroxide of a ions can be formed here. That is the beauty of this one. Okay, due to this of a molecules. Okay, of a water here. When a water and the electrons are combined, so what happens? There will be a hydrogen and the hydrogen gas and the hydroxyl ions will be formed here. So due to that one, there is a material removal can be taken place from the workpiece here, and it will be almost of a mirror finishing. You can also say that. Now coming to the see here, if I say of an anode is a dissolved, means anode is of a workpiece. Here workpiece which is a dissolve of a negatively charge of a hydrochloride of a ions. We can say that is electrically balanced by positive giving of a charges metal of a ions enter into the electrolyte here. Means what happens? There will be having a negative charge of a hydroxyl because when we are mixing of a water with the electrons, there will be a hydrogen gas as well as a hydroxyl of ion which is a negative way. Okay, negative. So negative ion. So what happens? There will be electrically balanced by positive charging of metals ions and entering into the electrolyte here. That is the process here. Okay. So this is the electrolyte of a flow. So how does the electrolyte is of a going on? Okay. So if I say of a iron place of a hydroxyl of a ions take place here. So what happened? It may be a formed of a hydro means metal of a hydroxide will be formed here. So when iron with if means mixing of a iron, if a workpiece of a means what happens? There will be iron. So what happened? If I'm mixing with the iron with a what happens? There will be electrolysis can be taken place on the by using of a hydroxyl of a ions can be carried out here. So what happened? There will be a hydroxyl ion means there will be a iron oxide can be formed here due to this electrolysis of a process here. Means this hydroxide means what happened are insulated in the water here. Hence it will be a solid of a precipitate and no longer effect of a electrochemicals and a reactions. Means when a iron plus water take place here, hydro means iron oxide can be taken place with a hydrogen means we are sending off a this one hydrogen oxygen releasing here. Means what happened when iron plus water means when iron is take place of a workpiece of a when a mineral of oil can be taken place here electrolysis here. So what happened when iron is combining with this one okay water. So I mean it will form a iron ions means of a iron hydroxyl of ions will be formed here and hydrogen gas will be formed here. Okay. So here the ferrous or hydroxide may be a further of a means it may be or it may react with the water and oxygen to form a ferric chloride after that. So first thing is that we are means iron when we are mixing with a hydroxyl of ion then it will form of a means the iron of a hydro oxyl of a ions can be formed here. After that if it may be a iron plus water if you are mixing on that one what happens there will be a iron of a hydroxide will be formed here then hydrogen means of it may be a hydroxyl of ions can be removed here, means hydrogen gas can be removed here from that one. So due to from the water here, after that there will be having a see a reaction can be taken place here. So hydrochloride can be formed. So here it plays of a major role here, means the every process means how it can be removed here. See from the I am giving a once again from the DC supplier to the one is from the anode cathode to the tool and anode to the workpiece which is connected with the table here. So here electrolysis process is I am sending of electrolysis is take place here with the filter and the pump where maybe a dust is there so that it will remove that one, then it will pump move forward to this path. Okay, there will be electrolysis of a process means take place here, and the feeding of a tool movement can be take place here. Okay, due to of a servo motor here, then there will be electrolysis of a process is carried out, and there will be electrons which is combined means of a due to of a chemical reaction. What happens? There will be having a electrolysis of a process. There will be by using of a Paradise law here. Here the removing of a from the electrons is a combined with this one. So what happened? Water. Then there will be having a removing of a material from the workpiece, and the workpiece which is coming out, which is a means extra excess of a material which is removed from that of a workpiece can be taken out with the help of this electrolyte of a process also. That's the beauty of this, and it will get of a mirror finishing operation. We can say here, if I say of element of a process, what are the elements we are taking here is a cathode of a tool here, anode of a workpiece here, and a source of a DC power supply here, electrolyte here. That's a we are saying the and the very important point there will be having a gap between the of a tool and the workpiece here. That is also a elements of a process can be carried out here. If I'm saying about the what are the tools we are here using, means tool it may be aluminum, it may be a brass we can use here, it may be bronze we can use here, copper, carbon, stainless steels we can use of a tool here, and it may be a very important there will be having a thermal conductivity should be mandatory even for the tool as well as of a workpiece here. And here the DC power control we can use of a voltage of a some order of a 2 to 20 voltage we can use here, even with a we can go with the DC supply here. Electrolyte of a process means between of it electrolyting of a process means the total of a electric of a circuit between of a tool and the workpiece can be carried out here. Means this is the electrolytic of a functions means here the electric circuit between of a there will be a tool and the workpiece can be carried out, allowing a desirable of a machining reactions to the occur here, carrying away the heat of a generated during the chemical reaction also we can say here, and the produce of a, from the ozone of a cutting here. So this everything take place in a chemical here. Means electricity with a chemical can be carried out here. Okay, that's the beauty of this one here. And very important point is that there will be having a we have to maintain the gap also from the tool and the workpiece here. We can say 0.05 mm. We have to maintain the gap also from the tool and the workpiece. There will be so that electrolysis of a process can be carried out here. We are saying that is a Faraday's law. We are following that one, and that is the reverse of a electroplating. This is the thing we have to maintain that one. And we can say here, if I say in a due to that one, this by using of a this electrochemical of a machining which is having a stress free and has a high surface finishing, that is a set of a mirror finishing can occur here. Okay, now from the presentation, see let's we discuss from the first of a introduction means first thing we know that one this is a unconvention of a machining process here. Machining which is a system in which of a metal is removed from the electrochemical of a process. We know this one, this is the electrochemical of a process here. Means there will be having a by using of electrolyting of a process here, what happens? There will be ions of a atom, electrons are combined with of a water here, mineral of a water here, then there will be hydroxyl of ions can be found passed away will created here, as well as a hydrogen gas also here. So this one will we are saying of electrochemical of a process here. Just now I said of a is a reverse of a electroplating. That's a very mandatory point here. It means of a removes of metal and instead of a adding to it. Means electroplating, what happened? The material which is removed from the workpiece is add to the cathode here. Cool. But here is a remove the and not adding to this. This is just flushing from that one, that area. And normally use of a mass production, that is a very important point here. and the hard material had a difficult to machine using of a conveyor. We know that one. Seriously, also we discussed in many of a unconventional of a machining process here. Both external and the internal of a geometry can be a machined here. Okay, and now see here from this one, and we can use the both the electrical energy and the chemical energy. Just now the first of a point I said of it, there is a electrochemical of a electrical, both the electrical energy and the chemical energy to remove the material, that is a MRR. Okay, material removal rate can be carried out here by using of a electrochemical machining, can be depend on a Faraday's law. Just now I said of it, there is a depends upon the Faraday's law of electrolysis here of a process here. So please try to remember this one, Faraday's law. There depends upon the Faraday's law here. For removing of a material of electrolyte will be a play of essential role here. And DC supply, just now of I said of a 220 here, we can also use of a 3 to 30 of a volt here. And the gap between the tool and the workpiece is, just now I said of a 0.5 mm here. And tool is a negative here, that is a cathode, and the workpiece is a positive, that is a anode. And a material removal can be taken place here of a 1600 of a per cube per minute here. Accuracy can be take place here, and the surface finishing of it means mirror finishing. We can indirectly we can say that one. Okay. So this is a principle. How the principle will be a means we are saying of it, that is a Faraday's law of electrolysis here. That's I said that is mainly depend upon the Faraday's law of electrolysis here. The weight of substance produced of a during the electrolysis process is directly proportional to the current which passes length of a process, and the weight of the material here. Even with the two dissimilar of a metals are they are in contact with the electrolyte, anode loses their metal to a cathode here. Means there will be a take place here. Means material can be removed from the anode to the cathode here. Okay, due to the electrolysis of a process here, due to electrolyte. Okay. So this is a principle here. Just now from the diagram we have discussed here. Okay. Now we will go with the another slide of a process parameter here. I said of a process parameter also once again. The power supply, there will be a voltage, current, current density here for direct current, electrolyte material, temperature, flow rate, pressure, and dilution, and a workpiece of working of a gap, overcut, feed rate, how much can be means of a can be a feeding of a hour of a tool here. Okay, tool, electrolyte of a material here, electrode of a material here. We are saying that is a tool can be having a different type of material, aluminum, brass, copper. Okay, there is a and a stainless steel, and the surface roughness can be. These all things that is a process parameter is a very important for the process. See the how it can be taken place here from okay DC supplier, DC to a constant feed can be taken place here. The pressure regulator means from this electrolyte moving to here the pump and which move forward here. There is any dust particles, it can remove that one. Then filter can be occurred here. Then the how much we are sending of a electrolyte we are that is maintained by pressure gauge here, and the flow meter, outer flow meter is enter into that bath here, and the workpiece which is held by the fixture here and by table here, and there will be having a means we are sending of a isolating of a base here. Okay, so this one will be a tool of a which is a in a negative terminal here and a positive terminal to the workpiece here. So here that the constant of a feed can be taken place with the power supply of a DC power supply. We can also say here. So power supply can be carried out. So this process, everything is taken due to this by using of a electrolyte of a process. We are saying the following of a Faraday's law. Okay, electrolysis of a reverse of a electroplating area. Okay. Now the from the main substance of the here is a power supply, electrolyte, tool, control system, and the workpiece. We know that one, that is a subsystems here. And the power supply, the direct current here, voltage, current, and that's also process parameter. Also we have learned here that the same thing, power supply here, and the current density here, constant voltage we have to maintain, and the high density is required here to for giving for machining of a by using of electrochemical of a machining process here. Electrolyte, just now we have studied about here. Common electrolyte used are a sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is a maximum we are using of a NaCl. Okay, NaCl we are using of a sodium chloride of a this one of a electrolyte here, and sodium chloride and potassium chloride and the sulfuric acid. This solution on the reaction produces an insoluble compound in the form of a sludge here, essential for electrolytic of a process here. It cools the cutting zone and becomes of a due to hot due to of a flow of high current here. Electrolyte of a solution is a pump between of a means we know that when there will be a pump between of a tool and the workpiece gap at about of a there will be a gap should be there just now I said of a okay these are the electrolyte here. Electrolyte also a main functions of a here of it carries of a current between a tool and the workpiece. We know that one, and there will be due to that is the reason it can withstand because due to of a thermal conductivity is taken place here. Okay, that the conductivity can be carried out here. And insoluble producer from the cutting of a reason here. Good electrical of a conductivity, non-toxicity and the chemical stability here, non-corrosive of a property here, low viscosity and high specific rate also can be take place here. So here these are the electrolyte processes take place here. And the tool, if I say of a mainly I said that is a tool can be copper, brass. Okay, there is a copper, tungsten, stainless steel, and the electrolyte are made up of a salt of a sodium and the potassium chloride. Just now I said of a NaCl sodium chloride we can use of a this one. So they will be having a means of a electrolyte has a tendency to ionizing that one of a tool in case of a sulfuric acid and the other tool of a material aluminum graphite bronze platinum tungsten this all are other of a tool of a material here. So here the electro forming and the cold forming of a two methods of electro shaping can be tool shaping can be carried out here. So these are the tools here. Tools requirement for a good which may be I said just now that may be a thermal conductivity and a strong enough to withstand of a high pressure here and should be easily machined here and the conductor of electricity here chemical insert into the electrolyte here. This will be a chemical reaction should be taken means and here corrosion less should be taken place here due to of this chemical reaction and the other of insulation material, vinylene, Teflon, epoxy, neighbors of high temperature of a varnish here. So here the tool also plays of a major role of a materials here, tool materials, and the control system. If I say of a here control of a parameter include voltage here, a inlet and the outlet of a pressure of a here control system. We know that one the how much electrolyte we have to send that one, and the how much the current we have to, which is depend upon the parameter of a feed rate also. Okay, so here we are going for the control system. Now for the workpiece which is connected to the anode here, okay, which is a workpiece should be a means of a conductor of electricity. Just now workpiece and the tool are electricity here, conductor of electricity here, and made of a which is connected with the anode here. Is a plus symbol, okay, and the material of the work is removed due to anodic of a dissolution here. This is all of a anode here. Now coming to the further specification of applications is which can be go we can go with the application of a die sinking, profiling, countering, tippering, tripping, grinding, drilling, micro machining, and a pulse of a electrochemical of a machining. These all are take place of a further of a applications here. Now coming to the here of a see here die sinking how can be taken place here means there will be having a see there will be having a die sinking can be taken place here and the profiling. Whatever the impressions of a tool is that just we are sending that we are making of that is a profiling can be take place here. Same of a tool as well as to offer in this one. And there will be having a work here. The tool is connected with the anode and the cathode here. And here is the workpiece is the anode here. So this is the process of another process take place here. Same way, it may be a die sinking and the 3D of a profiling here and now the economic is a products are a, which can be a mass production can be carried out by using of a electrochemical of a machining here and even we can go with the when a large number of complex of identical products are made and the larger cavity are more economically on a electrochemical of a machining can be made and that is a okay 1 to 10th of a time of a idiom and the most common products are turbine and compressor blade and the rifle barrels we can go with this one by using of electrochemical of a machining here. So after this we can go with the advantages here and disadvantages here. If I say the advantage electrochemical is a well suited for a machining of a complex here two-dimensional of a shapes here and with a delicate part can be machined here difficult to a machine of a and a geometric here poorly of a machinable of a material may be process here okay. Just now I said it is a mirror finishing and a high surface of a finishing can be occur here. If I say of a disadvantage is initialing of a tool it can be and time and a costly here and environmentally harmful by a product of a view of a chemicals here and a complicated of a tool of a design and a larger power of a consumption is a take place by using of this electrochemical of a process. That is a one disadvantage here. Okay, now see here once again I am going with this one of a diagram. So this is very important here. See here. So how first thing is a workpiece, workpiece which is connected with the uh, anode, and the tool is connected with the cathode. These are both are connected with the DC power supply here. Now I am supplying of electrolyte which is made up of an example of a sodium chloride here. So I am sending of a sodium chloride from the filter to the pump, where can be a pump is take place and a filter water dust particles can be removed. Then it's moved to the bath. Okay, and this is a fixture. Okay, then what happens? There will be a electrolysis process is carried out here. So there will be a removing of a material from the workpiece due to by of a when this of a electrons is a combined with this. Okay, so this electrolytes of a this one. So what happened when electrons are combined of a means combines with this of a sodium chloride, then it will form. We can say the iron oxide also. Just an example I've given that iron oxide. Okay, so there will be a matter of removal can be taken place from the workpiece. Then it will be flush away. Slag we can say that is a flush away can be take place here, and wool holder which is can be a wool feeding can be taken place from this movement and the due to of a servo meter. Okay, and electrolyte can be moved towards electrolyte of a flowing can be taken place in the bath here. Okay, this is a working principles of a electro uh, chemical of a machining is very important, and it will give a mirror finishing also we can see here. Okay, this is a beauty of our electrochemical machining process. Thank you and have a nice day.